I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I have a turkey in the smoker, so it's time to start thinking about the stuffing. Now, I know some of you are saying, wait a minute, you didn't stuff the turkey? And the answer is no, I did not. In my house, if I put the stuffing in the turkey, well, no one will eat it. My family thinks it's gross. So my stuffing has to go in a casserole dish. I'm going to show you how to make a really wonderful stuffing that's made with sage, sausage, and apples. Whether you like your stuffing in your bird or in a casserole, this one is easy to make, it tastes great, and it's right here on Austin Eats.
This stuffing is very easy to make. I'm going to begin by melting some butter and then adding some water and some chicken stock. And when that's nice and hot, I'm going to pour it over 16 ounces of diced and dried breadcrumbs and giving it a toss and then setting that aside. Next, I'm going to melt a little butter and then saute the onions with the diced celery. A couple of minutes and that will be nice and soft, and then I'm going to add the garlic and saute for another moment or two. You don't want to overcook this because the garlic will burn. Next, I'm going to add the thyme, the sage, give that a stir, and now it's time to add the apples. Once the apples go in, I'm going to stir this really well and then cook it for another minute or two. Now it's time to set that aside and get the sausage going. So I added a little bit of butter back to my fry pan and start browning the sausage. If this looks like more than the half a pound of sausage listed in the directions, well, you would be correct. I'm cooking a whole pound because I'm making pizza tomorrow. And I really need the leftovers. Now I'm going to drain that sausage and add it directly to my mixed stuffing. And on top of that, add my sauteed vegetables. I'll give this a good stir, and then this is ready for the oven. It's going to bake for a half an hour at 350, covered with foil, and then over the last 15 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil to let it get nice and golden brown. This stuffing is easy to make, it tastes great, and it's really worth trying. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.